How to sign out of YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of YouTube account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to sign out from YouTube, you can simply open up YouTube first. Once you open it up, you're gonna head into your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner, as you can see there on the screen. And once you do so, under your profile you can see switch account and Google account option. Simply tap on switch account option, and now you can simply switch to other account that you wish to in order to log out from this particular account. However, if you simply wish to log out, simply tap on manage accounts option at the bottom, and once you tap on manage accounts option, you'll get this list of accounts here that your device has. You want to simply tap on the particular Google account that you wish to sign out your YouTube from. Now suppose your YouTube account is the particular Google account. You want to simply tap on it, and then you want to tap on remove account. Once you do so, that Google account will get removed from your device and you'll get signed out of YouTube as well. So this way you can sign out of YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.